McKinsey just dropped a bomb. 50% of white-collar workers face displacement by 2028. Not 2035, not 2040, 2028. That's 47 million jobs in America alone. GPT-4 now handles legal document review 10 times faster than human lawyers. Goldman Sachs warns 300 million jobs globally are at risk. But here's what they're not telling you. Accenture found that 94% of enterprise leaders believe AI will reshape their workforce this year. Not next year, this year. Your industry is already moving. Microsoft integrated AI into Office. Now 3.2 billion users have automation in their daily tools. The gap is widening fast. Accountants are next, radiologists too, data analysts, customer service reps. Your job depends on one thing: adaptation. Companies automating now will dominate those that don't. Workers learning AI tools will lead those that ignore it. This isn't speculation anymore. This is your 2028 reality unfolding right now. Your paycheck depends on what you do today. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.